Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, MCA 0. I'm joined by Umfana Lady Smith. It's a Sanda.
Still. Ugrand.
I'm Nandi member.
Ngiyaphila nami. Sithibo ngiqale nje ngibonga ithuba lokuvela in front of the camera namhlanje.
Yes.
We in such a great atmosphere at Orlando Stadium. Yes. Orlando actually. Sithibo ngizoqala ngokubonga le Pirates ukuthi idlulele to semi-finals CAF Champions League. A biggest league a tournament in African football.
Yes.
If ubheka ukuthi for the past 10 years, if I'm not mistaken, it has been dominated by North African teams.
Yes.
Young tall.
Yes.
If Vele Al Ahly winner, you know, Guti, maybe Esperance or other team will win it. Young tall. So right now they are having so much pressure.
Yeah.
If Guti, there was a time whereby Al Ahly group stages la eyadedela khona ukuthi no, let us lose the game against CR Belouizdad.
Yeah.
So that we won't allow this team Orlando Pirates to ukuthi be la top. So it didn't work for them because Orlando Pirates did the job.
Yes.
Young tall.
Yes.
They did the job away and even at home.
Yes.
So it's such a great record ezohlala for the next 50 or 100 years. Ukuthi there was a time whereby Orlando Pirates were not trusted because many of our South African fans didn't trust Orlando Pirates ukuthi will get to this level.
They didn't.
Young tall.
They didn't.
We also thought everyone thought ukuthi Sundowns is actually the one ebizofika ama semi-finals iziye kwi-final. Young tall. So look at ama teams abashayile Al Ahly. About MC Alger. I'm talking about the champions. Young tall. You look at the team Belouizdad. Last season they were very fantastic. Leabo Kanyisa.
Yeah.
The coach keeper is one of the best coaches around Africa.
Yeah.
Young tall.
Yeah.
So if ubheka ukuthi Orlando Pirates was ukudlula kuzo zonke lama stages lawa, but still ba remain as Orlando Pirates. And if ubheka ukuthi not much number of players abanawo. If ubheka ukuthi kudlala bomfukeng, kudlala bonkotha, kwalimala uTito, wathi kwehla kancane. After usiyambuyisa kancane lokho emlanda ebenchini, uyabona ukuthi ama game every time umlanda amnikeza lawo ma minutes. I understand ukuthi maybe abantu abaningi bengaba nakho ukubuza ukuthi why lokho efaka uTito webhaye ngekho on form. I think abantu mele understand uJose Rivera is someone ongafuna uku expose player ukuthi ayiqhathe lama fans. Most of the time we are protect some players. Young tall. If ubheka ukuthi if a player like maybe Dino van Rooyen is not doing well, uzomtshela uyakwazi ukukhuluma nama players. If ubheka uya ku YouTube ubuka iPirates TV kunale the change room
Bucks camp.
Young tall Bucks camp. Uyabheka lapho ukuthi actually the coach is working overtime even na kwi change room. Uyakhuluma nama players uyakwazi ukuthi communicate nama players ngithola and ama players uthi again confidence back. If ubheka ukuthi for the last after I game Mamelodi Sundowns lapha FNB ubonile ukuthi Pirates has been doing very well especially when they are approaching ama games, but if ubheka le game they didn't have much of offensive work ukuthi how can we attack, how can we score goals against this team. You know when mawufaka uMakgopa you don't expect many goals ukuthi I'll score so many goals. Obviously, you know if Orlando Pirates ifuna ukorelate to Mabasa is the one who actually snipe shama goals. I'm told if ubheka ukuthi there was a game I think wayidlala before iBaroka lapho Orlando Pirates they were playing uMakgopa baqala ngoMakgopa, but when they played iBaroka they played with Mabasa and they scored goals. I'm told because Mabasa is someone who scores goals. He doesn't play, he doesn't need to play. It's something as white as a striker you don't need to be someone who was ukudlala ibhola most of the time. If ukwazi ukushuthela usinikeza ama goal thina sizokudlalela ngithola, but into engifuna ukuyiraise njengamanje I won't be much of I game because abafethu bekhulume kakhulu ngegame yanamhlanje, but I game plan as in Orlando Pirates it was very very fantastic. If ubheka ukuthi at the back abantu bathi bedlala ngeback 5, no, when they defend they were playing back 5, but when they attack isibuza ukuthi ba attack kanjani. I-pivot ibingahlukene namhlanje uMpatha kanye noMakhawula, but bebejoin obani bebejoin Van Rooyen kanye Khuza noHotho on that side. So manje it's 3-4-2-1 yangithola. So it's 3-4-2-1 le edlalwa uShabi Alonso eGermany. Wawina ngayi league wayededela ibhola udlala athatha ibhola ahambe nalo and wawina ileague invincible yangithola. So it's style of play lesi sikudida most of the time ukuthi actually le team ya attacker or ya defend yabo because mayebelithola ibhola immediately mabelithola ibhola you look at abombatha ama runs they make, you look at abankotha ama runs they make, you look at Mfukeng intwana bethu I think Sithibo angimele ngisho lento lena abamnike bethu yabona I wish ukuthi Pirates at least ifike final ye CAF Champions League or maybe win the CAF Champions League bamnike player of the tournament, not young player of the tournament. I think he has been a player that has been fantastic all the way from group stages, not just group stages only. Not like my preliminary rounds. He was very, very fantastic. And the abantu babheka ukuthi play yakora ina goals or yenza ama assist. Sometimes it's not about scoring goals. It's not about if you bheka uMkwena, he won the player of the season whereby uSaleng had better stats udlula uMkwena. How ask yourself it's because of indlela ayidlala ngayo ku pitch. So into engifuna ukisho ukuthi Mfukeng he can be given the player of the tournament. Especially the way abeloku akhathaza eyokhathaza lamajitha stress every time ethola iball someone khona leqe ngapha ka left iyamjaha iyaleka right iyabona bamiyeka and uyabona le mjitha lo ingozi lo wahamba otheklela iball every time ethola iball Mfukeng there's not one like 2 or 3 players closer to him ukuthi afuna ukuthi amark yangithola. So if ngibheka ukuthi right now Orlando Pirates la ikhona it's unexpected, it was unexpected for so many South African fans, especially if ubheka ukuthi the level was getting more and more difficult, but still pressure bakwazi ukuthi basitshela ukuthi okay no matter ukuthi pressure khona but it's nayi we'll keep on playing. But I congratulate especially Jose Rivera. I think ama players manje they abasale sebenze uJose Rivera ukuthi okay this guy is leaving akasafuna ukuhlala Orlando Pirates too, let's just win him at least the CAF Champions League. We'll see next season ukuthi imuphi umunye coach esibuilder naye.
Man of the match
ngizoyinika Mbekezeli amfithi angakithi mfethu ayimnandi lana yabona liya
kasilakho
aliyana yaseKZN yaseKZN hayi sihluhluwe mfana phansi mfana vele le ndawo leyana vele ikhipha vele abantu aba strong ama defender yabona liya ni play ngadlala the whole season ingabanga
no injury
ngiyakutshela thulu uzobona ukuthi isuka qala late kwi season. I think sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi kube khona ama injuries mhlawumbe umunye umuntu akhala if ubheka uSesane mayiphuma noNdama mayiphuma abantu bakhala ukuthi awukuthi abana bazongena la. I think mina it was something engathini a blessing in disguise yangithola because uMbokazi business mas bengeka azalethe la ku first team yangithola. So njengamanje sekukhona uMbokazi you know ukuthi at the back line angisena stress futhi if it is a special talent a left center back rare breed ayish into ongayithoni nominini into ongayithoni nomi kuphi ama coaches maningi le South Africa, but ask them how many left center backs about developing baba produced. It's very rare talent. If you bheka ngisho uGo Bruce what mele hlekela uDuke wabona ukuthi uba nenkingi because is a talent edlala ngo left.
Yabonga nje yami ayi izinja bafethu